Hi, it's me. Number 10. The golden ant. There are thousands of different species of ants all around us, but there's one kind of ant that stands out from the rest. And while there are many types of unusual ants, this particular kind might just be the most beautiful. The golden ant is so pretty it doesn't even look real. They're also known as the glitter ants or the diamond ants, and they live in South America. In fact, they can only be found in 2 countries, Brazil and Paraguay. But do you want to go running off to South America to find these amazing creatures? Because they are very rare even over there. Scientists have only ever collected 3 specimens in the entire world. So what makes these little critters so special? Well, first off, their name. Their scientific name is Cephalocetratus, which means shining head. This name was given to them because of the shiny gold coloration on the top of their heads. However, their bodies aren't actually golden at all. The bodies of these insects are actually black. It's only the tops of their heads that have this gold-colored shell. But when you see one of these ants, its golden head is going to be what catches your eye. These ants are tiny, usually no larger than 1/8 of an inch long. And with their golden-colored heads, they look like mini jewels crawling across the forest floor. Some people say the golden ants look like the Michelin Man, and others say they look like a tiny golden crown. Either way, these ants are extremely attractive. Unfortunately, because we haven't found very many of them, scientists don't know much about the golden ants, such as if they are male or female. They also don't know if they mate in the traditional way, or if maybe they do things a little differently. 9 weirdest insects. Have you ever seen a beetle that looks like a stick? How about a moth that acts like a bird? Here are some of the weirdest insects from around the world. Number 9. Jumping ants. There is a species of ant known as the jumping ant, and they earn their name because they can jump up to 5 times their body length. They are only found in Africa, and they are also known as the kangaroo ants. These bizarre ants get their name from the way they move around. Instead of walking like regular ants, jumping ants leap from leaf to leaf. When they land on a leaf, they curl their bodies into a tight ball and tuck their legs underneath them. Then when they want to move, they unfold their legs and spring themselves forward. They can make these jumps as far as 50 centimeters, which is over 20 inches for an insect this size. Jumping ants also have spines on their abdomens that shoot venom into their attackers, and they do this by curling up into a ball and poking the attacker with their pointed rear ends. Number 8. Goblin spider ants. There are all kinds of strange and unusual ants all around the world. One of the strangest has to be the goblin spider ant. They are known for carrying their eggs on their backs like a backpack. They are known for being aggressive and ferocious, and they will attack anyone who invades their territory. They can be found in the forests of Borneo, and they look like little hairy monsters with pins. Even though these ants look terrifying, they are unfortunately endangered. Their numbers have been dwindling for quite some time now, and they may become extinct within the next few years, unless something is done to protect them. No. 7. Bullet ants. You might think that a bullet ant got its name from its stinger, but that's not the case. These ants got their name because the pain from their sting is similar to being shot. It hurts like a bullet wound. Bullet ants are large and black, and they have pincers and wings. They're known for their extreme aggression and how painful their stings are. If you were to step on one of these ants, it would most likely bite down on your skin and inject you with its venom. They are mostly found in Central and South America, and they can grow to be over an inch long. Bullet ants typically live in trees, and they build their homes inside of hollowed-out stems or leaves. They also tend to act like bees and defend their nests if they feel threatened. Number 6. Zombie ants. There is a parasite that turns ants into zombies. It's like something straight out of a scary movie. The parasite is called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, and it turns ants into zombies by taking control of their minds. This fungus is known as the zombifying fungus. When the fungus infects an ant, it takes over the insect's brain and makes it do whatever it wants. The fungus then uses the ant's body as a vessel and eventually starts to sprout fruiting bodies through the back of dead ants. Scientists say that this fungus could theoretically infect humans, but luckily it doesn't look like it will anytime soon, no. Dinosaur ants. Recently, a fossil was discovered in New Mexico that has shocked the scientific community. The fossil is of an extinct species of ant that lived during the age of the dinosaurs. The species has been named Mysterious Titan, and it was around between 100 million and 145 million years ago. During this time, there were lots of other gigantic insects around, including giant dragonflies with 30-inch long wings. But the dinosaur ants were no bigger than today's army ants. They were probably about the same size as modern-day carpenter ants. We don't know much about the dinosaur ants, because it's hard to find their fossils. All we really know is that they were small and lived during the Cretaceous period. Number 4. Giant forest ants. There is a species of ant known as the giant forest ant. It lives in the tropical forests of Australia, and it's one of the largest ant species in the world. These ants are black and red, and they build their homes under logs or rocks. They are known for building huge networks of underground tunnels that can span acres of land. These tunnels are used to house their colonies and keep their eggs safe. If you were to walk through the forest and accidentally step on one of these ants, it would definitely hurt. Not only do giant forest ants have powerful jaws that can cut through flesh, but they also inject a venom that burns like fire. 3. Amazonian bullet ants. There is an ant known as the Amazonian bullet ant. It lives in the rainforests of South America, and it's known for having the most painful sting of any ant in the world. The pain from its sting has been compared to being shot with a bullet. The Amazonian bullet ants are black and red, and they grow to be about an inch long. They are also extremely aggressive and will attack anything that invades their territory. If you were to step on one of these ants, it would most likely sting you and send you running away in pain. Number 2. Trapjaw ants. Trapjaw ants are one of the weirdest looking insects on planet Earth. They are known for their large pincers, which they use to capture prey. These ants are found in the jungles of Southeast Asia, and they can grow to be over an inch long. The pincers of a trapjaw ant can snap shut in less than a millisecond, trapping whatever is in its grasp. They use their pincers to catch termites and other small insects, which they then eat. Trapjaw ants are also known for their ability to jump. They can jump up to 10 times their body length, which is one of the reasons why they are considered to be one of the most amazing insects in the world. No. 1. Longhorned ants. There is a species of ant known as the longhorned ant, and it's one of the most unusual insects in the world. These ants are known for their extremely long antennae, which can grow to be over 12 inches long. They are also known for their large pincers, which they use to capture prey. Longhorned ants are found in the jungles of Southeast Asia, and they can grow to be over 2 inches long. They are mostly black or brown, and they are also known for being extremely aggressive. Thanks for watching. Which of these strange insects did you think was the weirdest? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See you next time.